2025 Beta RR Race Lineup. First look, 10 Fast Facts. Beta's 2025 RR Race lineup brings a fresh batch of factory-inspired off-road machines for competitive riders and enthusiasts alike. With refined suspension, more power, and purpose-built components, the RR race bikes are ready to tackle the toughest trails, enduros, and races. Here's a look at the 10 fast facts about the 2025 Beta RR Race lineup. 1. Powerful 2-stroke and 4-stroke options. The 2025 RR Race lineup continues to offer both 2-stroke and 4-stroke variants, ensuring Beta riders have a choice of power plants depending on their riding style. The 2-stroke models range from the 125 cubic centimeters to the 300 cubic centimeters, while the 4 strokes include the 350 cubic centimeters and 390 cubic centimeters variants, each engineered for maximum performance. 2. Optimized power delivery. The 2-stroke engines are known for their punchy power delivery and lightweight agility. Beta has refined the mapping and exhaust systems, improving throttle response and low-end torque to help riders get the most out of every twist of the throttle, particularly in technical sections. The 4-stroke motors are tuned for smoother, more predictable power, giving riders optimal control across a wide range of terrain. 3. New graphics and styling. For 2025, the RR Race models get a fresh visual update, with bold red, black, and white color schemes and modern graphics that enhance the aggressive yet refined look of the bikes. The revamped styling matches the bike's performance-focused nature, making them stand out in any race or trail setting. 4. Refined suspension for enduro. One of the standout features of the 2025 RR Race lineup is the fully adjustable Sachs suspension, which has been tuned to handle extreme off-road conditions. The 48mm front fork and rear shock feature updated damping settings for improved handling and comfort over rocky, root-filled terrain. The new suspension offers excellent bottoming resistance while remaining plush enough to absorb small impacts. 5. Lightweight and agile chassis. Beta's steel trellis frame remains at the core of the RR Race models. The frame is designed for both rigidity and flexibility, striking a balance between strength and maneuverability. These lightweight frames contribute to the bike's quick handling, making the RR Race bikes a dream on tight trails and technical climbs. 6. New Dual Map ECU. A significant upgrade for 2025 is the introduction of a dual map ECU, allowing riders to switch between 2 different power maps for varied conditions. This feature gives racers the flexibility to adjust their bike's power delivery on the fly, whether they're tackling slippery rocks or open fields. 7. Improved braking system. Beta enhances the braking performance with the addition of Brembo hydraulic brakes, a powerful, reliable system that gives riders confidence in both extreme conditions and technical descents. The 270mm front and 240mm rear discs offer superior stopping power. 8. Enhanced ergonomics and comfort. Beta focused on rider comfort in 2025, adjusting the seat shape and position for a more natural riding posture. Additionally, the handlebars are adjustable, giving riders the ability to fine-tune their riding position for comfort on long, demanding rides or races. 9. Increased fuel capacity. The RR Race models are equipped with more fuel capacity, allowing riders to go further between refueling stops. This is particularly useful in endurance races and long off-road adventures where extended range is key. 10. Availability and pricing. The 2025 Beta RR Race lineup is expected to hit showrooms in early 2025, with prices starting around $9,000 for the 2-stroke models and $9,500 for the 4-stroke variants. Pricing will vary based on location and specific model configurations. Conclusion. The 2025 Beta RR Race lineup is an exciting step forward for Beta's off-road offerings, providing more power, better handling, and cutting-edge features for competitive riders. Whether you're hitting local races or heading out on rugged enduro trails, the 2025 RR Race bikes deliver the performance and reliability you need to take on any challenge.